Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator in the United States, and today I'm going to share with you how to assemble the little Coffin Treat Box. That's from the holiday catalog. I got many tips for that. So I stamp the spider web with the copper metallic ink. That's from the stamp set Wonderfully Wicked, and I didn't emboss it, so I wanted to stamp it in advance. If not, it's going to smear if you don't let it dry. After you stamp that, then I'm going to fold it. It would look lovely with the silver ink also, but I was out of this ribbon, so I said, you know what, I'm trying it in the copper, so give a completely different look, because I think silver for the spider web would look very good. One thing you want to do when you do the box, you see I'm using my finger, or you can use the bone folder. You really want to reinforce all the score line that it's already done for you, and that's going to make it stand better, easier to assemble. So you want to do all that. I'm going to do that quick here. I should have prepped some maybe. Okay, now that I get all this done, we are ready. Some like to do it with glue dots for assemble. When it's don't have no emboss or nothing, I like to use the liquid glue, because glue dot you get a little thickness and it don't stay flat at the edge. Now I use a piece of whispered white heavy thick cardstock, and I just scribble with dark pumpkin pie, green, I always say wrong, granny apple green, the dark, and then the rich raspberry. And now I got my funky, I should have a, here we go here. Now we're going to have a funky little wicked there in the some fun Halloween color. See? Boom. How fun is that? So that's how I done them. I like to color before, because if you color after, all the little detail, and it's, I don't know, for me it's easier if I color it before. Now we got that done. Let's start the assemble. I did my spider dough, and that come with the Wicked die. You get that little spider. That's the Wonderfully Wicked. So if you buy both together, you get 10% discount. That come in a bundle. So let's put, I like to put the glue on the tab. So I just go and add a bit of glue. Now the way that I like to do it, it's lined up the edge with where it's folded there. So I just bring this in and that in. And what I like also about tumble, if you're not just right, you get chance to push it in or moving it and so on. That's a sweet thing about when you use liquid glue. It gives you the chance to move it around and have a better flat edge. So you see there I was off. I can pull it a bit and boom. And really it dries very fast. Just pinch it. You see it's already, and then here and here. So it's very quick to assemble. Make sure you get some at the edge. Now again, I go there, just going to squeeze that a little bit there. After it starts bonding a bit, then I can go straight. If it's glue on the side, just wipe that. Maybe it would be great to have maybe a baby wipe. So if you use like the tear and tape and so on, if you have to pull it out, then it tear up the cardstock. So this way, it's very quick and easy done. And now I just get one more tab here, and we're going to put that there. And again, I line up the edge with the fold, so that if you follow the edge with the fold there, you're going to have a perfect cover and bottom that fit very lovely together. Now you can put some candy in there, or even roll a dollar or two or three, whatever. So now I'm gonna put tab over here, glue there, and this one we're gonna put at the little one here at the same time. So we're gonna do like the whole side there. So the flat one gonna go at the top, so this go at the bottom. I mean the flap go under. This way, that it's not straight, and it's easy to move it. See, here we go. There and there. Now we're going to squeeze that a little bit. This is not straight. It's so easy to keep on arranging it. There, maybe I need a bit more glue. Here we go. That looked pretty good. Just squeeze it. You know what? I need some, let me grab baby wipe. I think that would be very lovely to have right by you, a wet rag. So then when your hand, if you get glue on your hand or you wipe the glue that went on the side, you get something to wipe off. Now we're going to squeeze all the little tab again, go in the back. Let's move those two, and then it's pretty much done. Make sure it's straight. Squeeze, squeeze. See, now I got nothing pass on the side or nothing. So now let's just squeeze it for a look here. This one was a little bit off. Here we go. Now we're going to put that here. Now I use my ribbon, and I thought to put it up and down, but what happened, it's my wicket, it's long, so I'm putting my wicket on the sideways. So I'm gonna cut a piece of ribbon. I'm gonna tie this up right at the top. So I'm using the copper trim here. Oops, I need a bit more here. Here we go. And if you use that organic glitter ribbon that I use on the other one, the silver metallic would be perfect for this. Now I got just a little bow. I won't trim nothing yet. And then what I did with my wicket, because I want it to go under here. Oops. Here we go. What you can do is use your little spider to keep the wicket there, or you can glue it down. It's just if you glue it down, they're going to have a harder time to pull the ribbon, you know. So this way they can untie the ribbon. Either way would work, though. Really, either way would work. And here we go. And then we're going to put one at the other end. That is it, my friend, on how I done my little box. See, now I can cut that a little bit, though. Here we go. I kind of like that copper too. Oh, this one, it's a bit long. Here. It's wrapped around that thing, but that's perfectly fine. So that is it on how to do that little coffin. See, with the spider web around, I think that it's make it even more fun. So this is it for today. All the supplies will be listed on my blog. Right below you get the direct link, and you can shop 24/7 right there. Have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.